Sir.
Oh, just a second. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now we can hear you
No?
clearly. Yes.
Okay, perfect, perfect. So, coming to what is dry needling, so as the name suggests, as the word says D and N, it is made up of two words, dry and needle. So, basically, the dry says that we are not using any substance, we are not using any steroid, we are not using, any substance like an aesthetic agent or any drug to do needling. So that makes us non-pharmacological aspect. It makes dry needling a non-pharmacological aspect of practice. Whereas when we talk about acupuncture, there are certain type of acupuncture therapies where they put herbal medicines, they put wet substances around the needle, and they try to inject that thing into the body. Whereas we are using a needle now. What the problem comes is when we use a tool, and that tool is simultaneously used in other therapies. So people always try to use the word which is more generic to that therapy. Like, I'll quote very simple example I always quote. If you go to the market to buy detergent, so 90% of us, we say we need Ariel wala surf, we need surf. So surf is not the product generic name. The surf is basically again a product brand name, right? So what happens, because some brands become so popular that we give that name to the generic product. So this what has happened to acupuncture needles, that instead of calling them stainless steel monofilament needle, that is the generic name, stainless steel monofilament needles, we are calling them as acupuncture needles because they're readily used in acupuncture. But that doesn't make us, if we are using a tool of a different stream, but the theory what we are applying is of modern medicine, so that doesn't make us that we are following acupuncture at all. So we have what is dry needling? The dry needling is basically two things: not using with substance, that means it is dry, non-pharmacological. Second thing is a monofilament stainless steel needle which is targeted into a tissue like skin, fascia, or a trigger point.